class 2nd. We have completed chapter 2 in English grammar, and our next chapter is chapter number 3, yesterday and today. And this chapter is all about tenses. So we will learn here the words which we used as yesterday words and the words which are used as a today words. So today means the present which is going on, and the yesterday means past, means which have already done. And here the blue words, the words which are written in a blue color, it shows the present action which is going on. And the words which are colored in a pink color, was, yesterday, gave, welcomed, offered, so these are showing past action. Past means which have completed, which have done. So today we will write some words which we used as a today's words and the words which we used as a yesterday words. So students, firstly take out your English second copy and write today's date. So today is 4 September 2020. So firstly we will write lesson number is 3 in English grammar we will write, and the lesson name is yesterday and today. And this chapter is about tenses. What? Tenses. We will see what is tenses. So write here today's words. Some words we will write here. Today's words, the words which we used as present action. So here we will make a box, and in the box we will write today's words. Make a box like this. You will use scale to draw the lines. You will not draw like me. The word is present, means which is going on. Today, this word we also use. Now means just. Tonight, am, is, are. Some more words are also there, but here you have to focus on these words which we used as a today's word. Now similarly we will write yesterday's word, means the words which we used for the action which have already done. So the words are past, past, yesterday, day before yesterday, day before yesterday. The next is was, were, then. These words we used as a yesterday word. And if we say any sentence in present, so how we use or how we say the words. So we will see here how to say words in present action. So if we are talking about a present sentence, means which the action which is going on, so always we write I am. M is always come with I. Okay, so always we write I am in present tense, in present action. And if we are using we, then we always use are. We are, and in short form we can write I am, we are. This is a short form. I am, we are. If we are using he we use for the male. So he is going, he is coming, like this. So he we use is for he. Similarly, she is, always we use is for she. He is, she is, we are, or am is only for I. Am is only for I. You are, okay. They are, it is. So here you have to focus on it, you have to learn on it, learn this. I, we always use am. We are, he is, she is, you are, they are, it is. So for singular thing we use is, and for plural thing we use are. Okay. So similarly we will write what we say in the past. So in the past what we use, in present with I we were using am, and in the past with I we will use I was going. The work is already completed, I was going. We were, and in present what we were using, we are. Here we will use we were. Okay. He was, in present we were using he is, and here we will use she was, small h. He was, she was, I was. Because I is singular, so we will use was. He and she is also singular, so we will use was. You are, we always use you as a plural word. They are, and it always we used as a singular. Was, so was for singular and were for plural. So here is for singular and are for plural. Okay. So everyone complete this work and learn all the tables. Thank you everyone.